With our digital customer report feature, keeping customers informed has never been easier. Once inspection, parts pricing, and selection are completed, the job card moves seamlessly to the approval stage. From there, you can instantly share the detailed inspection report with the customer via WhatsApp, email, or SMS, ensuring quick and convenient communication that keeps your customers in the loop every step of the way. Once the job card reaches the approval stage, the customer will receive a direct link to their report via the workshop's official WhatsApp number. By opening the link, they can easily view all essential details, including car information, the initial complaint, and inspection results. The report is detailed, showcasing clear images and videos for each inspection point, along with recommended fixes. This transparency allows customers to review each aspect visually, building trust in your workshop's process. At the bottom of the report, customers can review a breakdown of requested parts, including brand, price, and quantity for each item. They'll also find a list of labor tasks with associated costs for each service. And of course, there's an English version available for added convenience.